I'm Laura Bosney and I'm a personal injury solicitor. On a day-to-day basis, I deal with lots of different clients with different injury types, different sorts of accidents. A landlord has a responsibility for the tenant and for the accommodation that they live in, but the responsibility also rests on the tenant to advise the landlord if there are any defects with their accommodation. If there is anything wrong where you are, then report it to your landlord, and if the landlord then doesn't repair it or doesn't remedy any problem and you have an accident, you may have a claim. Any accommodation that you rent from a landlord needs to be provided to you in an adequate state to start with. It should be in a reasonable condition, it should be weatherproof. Your landlord also has an absolute obligation to undertake an annual gas safety check. This has to be done by an independent gas safe engineer. You may feel that you've developed an illness from your conditions in your home, for example, developed a respiratory disease as a result of exposure to mould or damp conditions, or even carbon monoxide poisoning from inadequate maintenance of your gas systems. If you think you have got a disease caused by the conditions in your own home, then it's really important that you go to see your own doctor, see what they say is wrong with you, see if they know what's caused it, but come to us and we can help. A person has 3 years from the date they sustained an injury or an accident to start court proceedings in a case. If it's an illness you've got, then you've got 3 years from the date of diagnosis of that illness.